Assalamu alaikum class 10th. Hope you will be good. Today date is 22/7/2020. It's my 22nd lecture and day is Thursday. I'm going to start review exercise number 1. It's given from unit number 1 till unit number 4. See question number A. Choose the correct option. So we have MCQs here from the unit you have learned. We have also discussed all of these MCQs during the lecture and the book exercise of unit number 1 till unit number 4. See first one. He advised the most equitable plan. Equitable mean reasonable. Equitable plan for the setting of Blackstone. The underlined word means. So we have to tell the meaning of this word equitable. Equitable means reasonable. Second, he decided every case brought to him by friend or foe with justice without fear of favor. The underlined word means. So foe means enemy. Option C. Third, their ancestors killed a member of our family. The underlined word mean. Ancestors means forefathers. Prior to the first day of new year, it is customary for families to thoroughly clean their houses. The underlined word means. Prior means preceding. So all of these words I have discussed during the lecture, and I told you the meaning of these words. It is easy for you to select. See sentence number 5. Another popular custom is to hang up signs and posters on doors and windows with the Chinese word fu written on them. The underlined word mean. So custom mean practice. Option B is correct. First aid knowledge ranges from taking care of cars to dealing with an unconscious victim. The underlined word mean. Victim means sufferer. Option C is correct. Sentence number 5. The synonym of preserver means persist. So it is from the poem, and synonym means the meaning. We have to write the meaning of this word. हमने synonyms में meanings लिखते हैं, यानी same meanings क्या होंगे. Preserver means persist. The synonym of reward is prize. Option B is correct. The antonym of mighty. Antonym means opposite meaning है, यानी हमने mighty का opposite meaning लिखना है. Mighty means huge, यानी बड़ा होने को कहते हैं. Opposite of mighty is weak. The antonym of fail is succeed. Option B is correct. The accident was due to his ruthlessness. Ruthlessness, the underlined word is an dash noun, is abstract noun. बेरहमी, उर्दू में ruthlessness means बेरहमी, और ये abstract noun है. Our job is to keep the audience happy. So audience here is collective noun. The underlined word is an dash noun, it's collective noun. We have to take the bus dash tomorrow morning. We have to take the bus early tomorrow morning. Option A is correct. We dash our bottle so we could use it again. We cleaned our bottle so we could use it again. Could is second form of can. If we are writing past tense, we will select here past tense. So cleaned is correct. It is past indefinite tense. Ali was impressed dash Sarma's grades. Impressed with. Ali was impressed with Sarma's grade. Option A is correct. Last summer we dash many places. We visited many places. So last summer is telling about the past tense, so we will write here visited. Sentence number 17. All students dash for prize. All students compete for prize. Don't you see the sign? You dash. You should not drive at more than 30 minutes an hour. Option B is correct. You dash find Lubna in the garden, but I doubt it. You must find Lubna in the garden. Option B is correct. Choose the correct spellings. So option B is correct. Intercede. The spelling of intercede in option B is correct. So you will tackle it here. So this is your work today. You have to just do review exercise. Question answers I have discussed many times when I was explaining the chapters. So all the questions are the summary of the chapter. It is detailed summary of the chapter. It is lengthy questions, you have to escape it. Your home task is just read this comprehension, read the passage and answer the question given below. Just read this comprehension passage, underline all difficult words, try to understand it. It is written about internet. I shall explain it in my next lecture. You have to do just these 20 MCQs. That's it. Allah Hafiz.